Here we'll take a look at the Powerscale power measurement box from Hitex. In this scenario we have the Powerscale box connected to the STM32 evaluation board. The STM32 is running a series of application modes to put it in different power states. So run mode, sleep mode, low power sleep mode, and this board is running all the time automatically. On the screen behind me you can see here the real-time power consumption in the board as measured through the Powerscale interface here. So on the screen here in the main window you can see in real time the measured consumption of the microcontroller. The blue line represents the voltage, you can see the scale on the left hand side. The yellow line is showing the actual current consumption. Down the bottom of the screen here you can see a very accurate measurement down to sub-microamp levels for what the board is actually consuming. And this will tie in directly with the modes that are shown on the LCD display screen. In case you're wondering what the spikes are when we enter the low power modes, that's the software powering up to write something to the LCD before it goes into the... So here we write to the screen and now we're in the low power mode. On the left hand side here you can set a series of ranges which correlate to the different low power modes on the board. So current consumption ranges, voltage ranges, and that is then translated directly onto the left hand side in a pie chart, so you can get some statistical analysis directly which gives you an idea of how long you've spent in a given power state on the micro PI modes. It is possible to link this directly to the debugger as well, so you can here supply some triggers back from the application into the debug interface and link the information that you get for power consumption directly back to the routine that you're executing in the application. This allows you to ascertain immediately if you have correctly entered the low power mode as you've designed your application to do, or if you have some software bugs that mean you still need to work on that a little bit and get the power modes sorted out correctly. So here we have the Powerscale box from Hitex. This allows you to make very accurate measurements of the real current consumption of your application. In this particular configuration we have it connected through the analog probe which is making the measurement of the current consumption of the board. If you look a bit further down you can see the LCD of the eval board is displaying the exact mode that the microcontroller has been configured in. So that you can then correlate back to the information that you see on the screen, giving you the instantaneous power consumption measurements. You're also able to use trigger lines to go from the micro back into the Powerscale box, which allows you to link directly to the routine or the program counter mechanisms that are inside your software, so you can see exactly which routine you were in for a given power consumption measurement.